Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Crest 3D white strips. So in this box comes these 1 hour, you get 2 of these 1 hour expresses, and then you get these classic vivid ones. So the 1 hour you're going to leave on your teeth for 1 hour. The classic you're going to do for 30 minutes. Okay, so let's open them up, see what we get. There is a little spot here to open them up. They open up relatively easy. You still have to kind of get in here. You're going to take this out. Okay, so now we can grab this. Now, sometimes it sticks to that. So you want to make sure they both stick to this piece of plastic here. Now I can go and use them in the bathroom. You're going to want like a mirror. So this side is the side that's going to be out. The side that's sticking to this hard plastic, that's what's going to go against your teeth. So when I peel this off, again, now this is for the top teeth. The smaller one is for your bottom teeth. So you're going to peel this off, and that's sticky now. So that part is sticky. You're going to put that on your teeth, and you're going to fold it onto the back side of your teeth. And same with the bottom one. Okay, so you're supposed to do your bottom one first, but I'm going to demonstrate the top one. Okay. Okay, so you want to press it onto your teeth, and you want to hold it there for a couple seconds. It will start to stick. And you can bend the tape so that it goes from here to here. You don't want it to go across your gum up here. You want it to go here and then kind of down angle it a little bit. And then fold it onto the back side of your teeth. And then just kind of press it to your teeth. It's got like some sticky stuff. It's going to help it stick to your teeth. And then do the same for your bottom. So you will notice these start to foam a little bit, kind of underneath the tape. Okay, so getting them off can be a little tricky. They stick pretty good. But you got to kind of grab an end, and you'll notice that it's kind of foaming underneath them. Okay, and grab this one. The bottom one can be the hardest sometimes. So I have found if I rinse my mouth out now, the taste kind of goes away. I do still feel just a little bit of the stickiness on my teeth. So here's a list of the ingredients: PVP, PEG8, water, hydrogen peroxide. So it says it's best if you do not brush your teeth right before you apply them. So you don't want to brush your teeth right before you apply them. And you're supposed to use 1 treatment per day. But it does say for faster results, you can go to twice a day. Now it does say do not eat, smoke, sleep, or drink. You can have a little bit of water. I found drinking water is okay with these. And make sure if you get that gel, that sticky part on there, don't touch your eyes afterwards. So I did find that sticky part on the back side of that, it does want to stick to your cheek. So really avoid your cheek, because it will stick to your cheek really good if you get it close to your skin. But again, this side is going to be like the side that's outside, and then the side that's sticking to that hard plastic, that's what's going to go against your teeth. It's important to press it onto your tooth a little bit. That helps it stick in place. So let's open up the 1 hour express. So you can see they look a lot like the other ones. They've got kind of a cut out there, like a notch. Now that's kind of to distinguish the 1 hour. So you're going to leave these in for 1 hour. The notch gets folded around the back side of your teeth. And these are just a little bit thicker. So I think they got a little bit more of that sticky stuff on there. But then the 30 minutes, you're supposed to leave the classic vivid, glamorous white, gentle routine, and shimmer white for 30 minutes. The 1 hour is 1 hour express or the monthly whitening boost. So with these strips in my mouth, I do have a slight taste. It doesn't taste real bad, but maybe I can have a taste of like hydrogen peroxide just a little bit. Now I have found that, so I do have some sensitivity on my teeth, and I can kind of feel where those spots are on my teeth after I remove these. But then it goes away after an hour or so. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.